Welcome to the first week of Hegarty. It is week 15, and we are going to start with letter naming. So we have vowels here, digraphs, and we have some of our many blends. We're going to start with vowels. So I need you to say the letter with me and the sounds. I forgot to show you, I brought a little friend with me. This is Froggy, and he's going to join us this week for Hegarty. Each week I'll have a new little friend. He might stay up here, he might go down there. The letter is U. The sound is or U. Good. You say it too. The letter is, let's hear it, A. The sound is, say the short sound first, A or A. The letter is I. The sound is I or I. The letter is E. The sound is E or E. The letter is O. The sound is A or O. Now we have our digraphs. The letters are P, H. Say it with me. Do you know the sound? The sound is F. The letters are W, H. The sound is W. Good. Say it with me. The letters are S, H. The sound is SH. The letters are T, H. The sound is The letters are C-H. The sound is ch. The letters are, we moved to blends. Ready? S-K. The sound is sk. The letters are, same with me, B-R. The sound is brr. The letters are F-L. The sound is full. The letters are G-L. Do you know the sound? The sound is ghoul. The letters are S-P. The sound is sp. The letters are S-W. The sound is sw. The letters are S-L. The sound is sl. Now, if that went a little fast for you today, don't worry. We will repeat this all week and even into next week. So you will get used to it and you'll be able to keep up with me soon enough. So next up is nonsense word fluency. I am going to say a nonsense word. That means a word that doesn't make sense. It is under the category of family members. So when I say a nonsense word, it is going to rhyme with one of your family members. So think of family members like mom, dad, brother, sister, grandma, cousins, grandpa. All right, so when I say the nonsense word, you think of the family member that rhymes with that word. Let's try it. Flad. Do you know a family member that rhymes with flad? Okay, watch. This is what we say. We go, not flad. And now tell me the word. Dad. Yep. Brister. Not Brister. What is it? Sister. Good. Glom. Not glom. Mom. Slanma. Not slanma. Grandma. Gruzzin. Not gruzzin. Cousin. How about frother? Say it. Say, no, Miss Fowler. Not frother. What rhymes with frother? Brother or mother. Great job, friends. Let's do a rocket. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Blast off! And do your rocket explosions. Psh, 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 psh. Good job. Now I'm going to practice onset fluency with you, which is the beginning sound. I'm going to say 3 words. I need you to repeat the 2 words that start with the same sound. Okay, so I'm saying 3. You're only repeating the 2 that have the same sound. Cry, crunch, 4. Cry, crunch. Good. My turn. Brick, brain, walk. Brick, brain. Drink, here, draw. Drink, draw. On, print, prize. Print, prize. Treat, keep, train. treat, train. Front, fry, out. Front, fry. Grass, grain, buy. Grass, grain. Good job, friends. Good. Reach up, give yourself a pat on the back. Nice work. Nice job. All right. Now we are going to segment our sounds. I'm going to break them apart for you, and you can chop with me if you'd like. These are our choppers. And then you need to slide your hands with me and say the whole word, okay? So I chop it. You tell me what it is together. You're going to try to blend it, okay? So try this one. B-R-A-D. What's the word? Braid. Good job, friends. K-R-A-B. Crab. F-R-E. Free. Good job. What's this one? G-R-A-S. Grass. Nice. P-R-I-N-T. Print. T-R-A-L. Trail. Good. B-R-A. And. No, it's not that. Sorry. B-R-A. I was on the right track. Do you know that one? Brain. Let's try the last one. K-R-A-S-H. Remember, that's a digraph. That's together. Crash. Nice job, friends. Give me a yeehaw. You ready? Yeehaw. All right. This is the middle sound. So I'm going to give you those 3 words again, but I want you to listen for the middle sound. The middle sound is going to be a vowel sound. And when you hear it, you're going to repeat that vowel sound and then tell me whether it's short or long and the letter. Let me do one by myself and then I'll let you try. Crib, trip, spin. Do you hear it? And that's a short I. So when it's your turn, you're going to say and you're going to tell me what that is. That's a short I. All right, try the next one. Braid, slate, flake. What do you hear in the middle? A, long A. Good. Clock, trot, smock. Ah, short O. Bright, spice, climb. I hear an I, long I. Sled, dress, swept. Short E. Drum, snug, fluff. I hear a, short U. Good job, friends. Let's try snack, plan, flag. Short A. Good job. Stove, broke, close. O, long O. Last one. Sneak, breeze, grease. E, long E. Excellent, friends. Excellent. Let's do some fireworks. Psh, 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 psh. Awesome job. Now we're going to break apart the word. I'm going to say the whole word. Whoops, we'll go this way. Sorry, so that you can get it right. Repeat the whole word for me, and then you help me break it apart. The first word is tray. You guys say it. Tray. Now let's break it. T-R-A. Brush. You say it. Brush. B-R-A-S-H. Crop. Your turn to say it. Crop. With me. K-R-A-P. Good job. Drive. You say it. Drive. D-R-I-V. Frog. You say it. Frog. F-R-A-G. Grand. You say it. Grand. G-R-A-N-D. Press. You say it. Press. P-R-S. Good job. One more. Truck. You say it. Truck. T-R-A-K. Excellent, friends. Give yourself a round of applause. Now comes my favorite part. I love changing the beginnings and the endings. We call this substitution. I'm going to give you a word. We're going to change the beginning sound and make a new word. So here we go. The word is black. Change the bull to tur and tell me what it is. Track. Good job. The word is class. Say class. Good. Change the cool to gur. Grass. You guys got it. Flag. Change full to burr. Brag. Excellent. Gleam. You say it. Change the gul to cur. Cream. Excellent. Plane. You say it. Plane. Change the pull to tur. Train. Slate. You say it. Slate. Change the sul to gur. Great. Small. You say it. Small. Change the sn to cur. Crawl. Snail. Snail. Change sn to tur. Trail. Space. Space. Change the sp to tur. Trace. Excellent work, friends. Can you raise the roof for me? Woo woo, woo woo. Nice work. We're on the last page. Okay, this one I'm going to add a sound to. Okay, so I'm giving you the ending. We're going to add the beginning sound. Here we go. The word is rame. Say rame. You say it. Rame. Add fur. Put them together. Frame. Good. Raid. You say it. Raid. Add g and you get grade. The word is rent. Rent. Add p to the beginning. It's print. Red. You say it. Red. Add b. You get bread. Rill. Rill. Good. Add d to the beginning. Drill. Ray. Ray. Add p to the beginning. Pray. Rend. Rend. Add f. You get friend. Rate. You say it. Rate. Add g. Great. Rove. Rove. Add d. Drove. Wow, friends. That's awesome. Give yourself some snaps. Can you snap? Try it. Snap. All right. Last one we're going to delete. So that time we were adding. Now I'm going to give you that whole word. And I'm going to take away the beginning. And you just tell me what's left. So the word is draft. Say draft without the d. Raft. Fry. Fry without the f. Rye. Gray. Gray without the g. Ray. Praise. Praise without the p. Raise. Bright. Bright without the b. Right. Crust. You say it. Crust. I'm repeating the word because you're repeating too. After I say it, you say it. Without crust, without the k. Rust. Drank. Now your turn. Drank. Without the d. Rank. I'm going to pause. Our lights just turned off. There we go. We're back on. All right, ready? Almost there. Froze. Froze without the f. Rose. Travel. Travel without the t. Ravel. Oh, my friends, you did it, you did it. Like this, like this. Give yourself a hug. Say bye to our little froggy friend. Good job on Haggerty. I'll see you again tomorrow.